Want to program a key fob for your 2008 Ford F-150 yourself? It's doable and can save you money. The 2008 F-150 uses a system called PATS, or Passive Anti-Theft System. This system requires your key fob to be programmed to the truck in order to start. You can program fobs to add new ones or erase old ones to prevent theft. The truck can store up to 4 remotes. Note, you need at least 2 working fobs already programmed to add more using this method. Newer aftermarket tools and apps like OBD2 scanners can help diagnose issues, but the following OEM procedure is still the primary DIY method. Insert the first working key and turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Leave it on for at least 3 seconds, but no more than 10, then turn it off. Remove the key. Repeat this process with the second working key. After turning the second key off and removing it, the system should enter programming mode. Press any button on the new key fob you want to program. The door locks should cycle to confirm successful programming. If you want to program additional fobs, repeat the button press step within 10 seconds for each fob. If programming fails, check the fob batteries or have an OBD2 scan performed to check for PATS errors, and make sure to work quickly because the timeout is between 10 to 20 seconds per step. This entire process must be done relatively quickly.